Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn how to install Docker on our Windows machine. First of all, you need to go to docker.com and then, of course, you can go to the main page of that whenever you are not and then download the Docker desktop. You've got two versions over here. One is for AMD or ARM, and I'm going to download the AMD version. Why it's been downloaded? Go to the installer. You need to accept whenever Windows will tell you if you have access for that, and then you've got the recommendation. Of course, I recommend you to go with WSL whenever you are using Windows 11, and then okay, here you've got the Docker desktop is being installed. It can take some time, so don't worry, take your time, and we'll see after it will be installed. After it's installed, you just need to close and restart your Windows. So we are doing to make it happen. Then go for cmd docker.file and you see that you've got it installed over here as it should be. But also we installed the Docker desktop, not only the command line one. So we need to open Docker desktop, accept, wait a few seconds. Then you need to just log in or skip over there. I've got an account, so I will just log in with my Google account. Once I just log in, we need to just open Docker desktop, wait a few seconds, and we've got like everything what we should do. And as you can see, my WSL is too old, so we need to go over here to copy, and then we need to open the PowerShell, run it as administrator, then WSL update, run it, wait a second, but if nothing happened, like you can see over here, so Ctrl+C, then WSL install, you can go to your Docker desktop, try again, starting the Docker engine, and voila, you've got your Docker running right now, your personal Docker desktop within a few minutes. So thank you very much and see you at the next episodes.